Friends, today I will explain section 92 from same chapter 16 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patent Act 1970. So the title of section 92 is Special Provision for Compulsory Licenses on Notifications by Central Government. Okay, we can link we can link rule 96 with section 92. Okay, so we shall proceed to the subsections through our key points. Okay, subsection 1 says if the central government is satisfied in respect of any patent in force in circumstances of national emergency or in circumstances of extreme extreme urgency, or in case of public non-commercial use, that it is necessary that compulsory licenses should be granted at any time after the sealing thereof to work the invention, it may make a declaration to that effect by notification in the official gazette, and thereupon the following provisions shall have effect. That is to say, bit 1, the controller shall, on application made at any time after the notification by any person interested, grant to the applicant a license under the patent on such terms and conditions as he thinks fit. Bit 2 is, in setting the terms and conditions of a license granted under this section, the controller shall endeavour to secure that the articles manufactured under the patent shall be available to the public at the lowest prices, consistent with the patentees deriving a reasonable advantage from their patent rights. Okay, so please follow the same trend. Please observe the underlined words and read the subsection with all its points, taking care of the punctuation marks. Okay, next. So we can explain this in simple way as follows. Under circumstances of national emergency, etc. includes extreme urgency and public non-commercial use, etc. So I have written just national emergency, etc. Okay, so I'll read it again. Under circumstances of national emergency, etc., if the central government is satisfied that it is necessary to grant a compulsory license in respect of a patent in force, it shall give a notification in the official gazette. Point 1. After the notification is made, any interested person may file an application for the grant of a compulsory license, and the controller shall grant a license under the patent with such terms and conditions as he thinks fit. Point 2. In setting the terms and conditions, the controller shall take care that the patented article is available to the public at the lowest price, consistent with the patentees deriving a reasonable advantage from their patent rights. Fine? Okay. Just for general knowledge, I have written here what is Rule 96. The title is Application for Compulsory License, etc. Okay. Another important fact here written in red ink is, any interested person may file an application for the grant of a compulsory license at any time after the notification in the official gazette in Form 17, along with a fee of 6,000 rupees on such terms and conditions as he may think fit. Okay. Next is subsection 2. The provisions of sections 83, 87, 88, 89 and 90 shall apply in relation to the grant of licenses under this section as they apply in relation to the grant of licenses under section 84. Just it is given that sections 83, 87, 88, 89, 90 etc. sections and section 84. Okay, just a similarity is mentioned here, that the provisions of this above section shall apply in relation to the grant of licenses under this section, this particular section, as they earlier applied to, as they apply in relation to the grant of licenses as we have studied in section 84. Fine. Okay. Next is, just a minute. Yeah. Next is subsection 3. Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 2, where the controller is satisfied on consideration of the application referred to in clause 1 of subsection 1 that it is necessary in Point 1, a circumstance of national emergency, or point 2, a circumstance of extreme urgency, or point 3, a case of public non-commercial use which may arise or is required as the case may be, including public health crisis relating to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, human immunodeficiency virus, tuberculosis, malaria, or other epidemics. He shall not apply any procedure specified in section 87 in relation to that application for grant of license under this section, provided that the controller shall, as soon as may be practicable, inform the patentee of the patent relating to the application for such non-application of section 87. So please follow the same trend of reading a subsection, and now the explanation is here. Where the controller is satisfied upon consideration of the application that it is necessary in case of national emergency, extreme urgency, public non-commercial use, including public health crisis relating to AIDS, HIV, TB, malaria, or any other epidemics. Now we can use COVID-19 as well. Yeah. He shall not apply the procedure as specified in section 87, provided the controller shall, as soon as practicably possible, inform the patentee for such non-applicability of section 87. Fine. And here I have written some important notes. Just take a look here. National emergency does not have a standardized international definition or meaning. It is a challenging task to have a standard definition because each country has their own health problems. We are, all of us know this. Having a fixed, narrow, and having a fixed, narrow, and rigid definition of national emergency is a hard task. Okay. For example, we can say having a disease afflicting 2% of Indian population is equivalent to approximately 25 million people, whereas the same percentage of Canadian people is equivalent to 0.6 million people only. Okay, so we can take an example of this present crisis, that is the present pandemic COVID-19. We say that percentage of death or percentage of infected persons are less, but when compared to our population, it's a huge amount. It's a huge quantity actually. As I have given here the example that afflicting 2% of Indian population means 25 million. Okay. This number or this statistics is not for COVID-19. This is just given as an example. I am just comparing. Okay. So we can say for India this is a national emergency, but for Canada it is not a national emergency. Fine. Okay. Now we can say other parameters may also vary from country to country. So that's why we cannot fix a standardized definition or meaning of national emergency. Fine. So friends, this way section 92 is completed with all its subsections. So please go through my video. Please go through the bare act as well. Please write to me in case of any queries, any questions in my comment box. If you find it good, then please write compliments to me. Please give a like to my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much friends. Stay safe, stay blessed.